Chakras, the enigmatic energy centers rooted in the traditions of Buddhism and Hinduism, offer us a fascinating glimpse into the intricate connection between our bodies and spiritual realms. These centers are believed to correspond with the various parts of the body, each intricately linked to a specific aspect of life's energy. A cornerstone of these traditions is the concept of non-physical life force that flows through us. In this paradigm, chakras become vital junctures where this life force intersects with our being. Each chakra aligns with a particular part of this energy, creating a unique network of connections that influence our well-being. These energy centers form along a central channel within our body. It's through this central channel that they are connected to crucial bodily functions. From the realms of consciousness and vision to communication, health, digestion, reproduction, and even survival instincts, chakras cast their influence over our lives. The understanding of chakras extends beyond mere bodily functions. In this intricate system, every chakra is associated with a specific deity, a color, certain bodily organs or group of organs, and even a transformative mantra, that is a sound or a syllable that holds a unique resonance. This fusion of elements creates a holistic tapestry of energy that aligns with our spiritual and physical existence. The path towards aligning the body's energy with the central channel and its chakras is unveiled through meditation. By channeling our focus and energy, we can harmonize these centers, initiating a profound process of alignment. This alignment, often seen as a journey towards fulfillment and enlightenment, is central to the teachings of Buddhism and Hinduism. Chakras find their roots in ancient wisdom. We find glimpses of these energy centers in Sanskrit documents and the oral traditions of both Buddhism and Hinduism. In fact, hints of the concept can be traced back to the Hindu Vedas produced in India between the 18th and 5th century BCE, where breath channels prefigured the chakra system. The idea of a hierarchy of chakras was introduced later, particularly in the 8th century Buddhist teachings. This hierarchy added another layer of depth to the concept, enhancing its spiritual significance. However, it's important to note that there's no standardized interpretation of chakras within these religious traditions. Rather, chakra systems vary among teachers, even within the same religious framework. Chakras offer us an essential perspective to comprehend our bodies as intricate systems of energy. This concept isn't just confined to the religious dogma, it has far-reaching implications. In fact, two of the world's major religions, such as Buddhism and Hinduism, stand on the notion that humans possess the capacity to find inner peace through these energy systems within the body. The chakras emerge as the very key to unlocking this inner potential.